Morning, Deepika. Okay, so today we will be starting with business arithmetic. Yeah, this is the 6th chapter, business arithmetic, and 7th chapter is not going to come, resource mobilization. Chapter number 7, resource mobilization will not come. Okay, resource mobilization is not going to come. Chapter number 7 is not going to come. Only till this chapter, chapter number 6, business arithmetic. You'll get questions in your final term till this chapter, that is business arithmetic. Okay. And in this chapter there are only numericals, there are sums which you need to understand. Okay, so the first topic is unit sale, unit cost and unit price. Unit sale, unit cost and unit price. I'm repeating this again. The first chapter is unit sale, unit cost and unit I'm writing this over here, unit I'm writing this over here. It's unit cost, unit price and gross profit margin. Okay, so 3 topics for today is unit cost, unit price and gross profit margin. Clear? Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Riya Gupta, you don't have to send smileys after good morning, sir. Keep it like that. Riya Gupta, please don't send smileys. It doesn't look good. Just a formal good morning, sir, will be fine with. Riya Gupta, don't send smileys after wishing good morning, sir, and all. Okay, good. Yeah, so we are doing with unit cost, unit price and gross profit margin. Okay, what do you mean by the word unit cost? What do you mean by the word unit cost? Unit, see, the word unit means one. The word unit means one. Okay, the word unit means one. This word unit, U-N-I-T, it means one. Okay, so for example, if 10 pens are costing you rupees 100, if 10 pens are costing you rupees 100, then the cost of one pen will be 100 divided by 10, that is rupees 10. So this rupees 10 is actually the unit cost, 10 per unit, as we said, 10 per unit, rupees 10 per unit. Okay, so this rupees 10 per unit is actually your unit cost, which means the cost of one unit of a product, one unit. If for example you are manufacturing hundreds of these cell phones, 100 cell phones you are manufacturing, so if I ask you what is the cost of one cell phone, what will you do? You will divide by the total production. Okay, then you will get the price of one unit of that product. Clear? And now if I talk about unit price, now if I talk about unit price, now if for example you are selling one pen, if you are selling the same pen at rupees 12, if you're selling the same pen at rupees 12, okay, for example, you're selling 10 pens, so the cost of 10 pens will be 120 rupees, and cost of one pen, selling price of one pen will be rupees 12. Clear? So this rupees 12 is actually the unit price, which means the price at which you are selling one unit. Okay, unit cost is what is the cost of one unit of a product, and unit price is the price at which you are selling one unit of a product. Okay, so for example, if this cell phone is costing you rupees, like let's take 10 cell phones are costing you rupees 100. As I said, gave you an example, 10 cell phones are costing you rupees 100. So what will be the cost of one pen? That is rupees 10. Okay, that will be rupees 10. Okay, clear? And then if you are selling the same pens, same pen at rupees 120, 10 pens you are selling at 120. So your price of one unit, selling price of one unit will be rupees 12. 120 by 10, that is rupees 12. And how will you find out? Gross profit margin? That is unit price minus unit cost. Clear? That is 12 minus 10, that is equals to rupees 2 per unit. Clear? So this is the way how you find out your gross profit margin, which means if you're selling one pen at rupees 12 and the cost of that pen is rupees 10, then your profit will be 12 minus 10. This is your selling price and this is your cost price. So 12 minus 10, that is rupees 2 per unit. Clear? Okay, so did you, yeah, good. Okay, yeah, so did you understand this concept, unit cost, unit price and gross profit margin? Did you understand this concept, everyone? Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me, did you understand or not? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay. So we'll do one sum. If you want to copy this down, please copy this down. If you want to. Okay. Okay. So we'll do one sum. Okay. Now we'll do one sum. Clear? We are going to do one sum. Okay. So please copy this question. Please copy this question. Copy this question, all of you. This is day. This is number of customers and average billed amount. Okay. Day, number of customers and average billed amount. Day, number of customers and average billed amount. Which means, for example, you are owing a shop. Okay. For example, you are owing a shop. For example, you have a shop, and every day, like for the last 5 days, I'm going to write down how many customers you are getting each day and what was the average billed amount. Okay. So number of customers, let's take an example, 10, 5, 20, 5 and 10. Okay, clear? So let's take an example. On day 1 you got 10 customers, day 2 you got 5 customers, day 3 you got 20 customers, and day 4 you got 5 customers, and day 5 you got 10 customers. Clear? So this is the number of customers which you are getting each day. 10 customers, 5 customers, 20 customers, for again 5 customers and 10 customers. I hope you all are copying this question. I hope everybody is copying this question. I hope yeah. Okay. Now I'll go now I'll tell you what was the average billed amount per day. Average billed amount per day. Let's take example 200, 300, 100, then again 200, and again let's take an example as 200. Clear? So this is the question that you will get in your question paper. Day, number of customers and average billed amount. Clear? Day, number of customers and average billed amount. Clear? I am writing the question down. Please copy this down. Find number 1, unit price. Number 2, unit cost. Copy down the question, all of you. If unit cost is 70% of unit price. Clear? Firstly you have to find out unit price, then unit cost, and then you have to find out the gross profit margin. Clear? You have to find out the gross profit margin. Okay, okay. Chalo, copy this down. Question, copy this down, please, all of you copy this down. It's day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the number of customers, then average billed amount, and then we'll start solving this question. Okay, you have to find out the unit price, the unit cost, and then the gross profit margin. Copy this down, all of you. Okay, hope all have copied this down. Yes sir, copied. Okay, chalo. Now we'll start solving this question. Okay, so once you'll get this question, what you have to do, you have to copy each and everything. 3 column, only one extra column will come, that is total billed amount. This column will be known as total billed amount, because here what you know is this is your average billed amount. Clear? This is your average billed amount, and here you have to find out your total billed amount. Clear? Here you have to find out the total billed amount. Clear? Here you have to find out the total billed amount. Right here, total billed. One more column you add and write total billed amount. You have to find out the total billed amount. Okay, now for total billed amount, what you will do? For total billed amount, what you have to do? You have to just multiply. See, on day 1 you got 10 customers and what was the average billed amount? 200. So what you have to do? You have to just multiply 10 into 200. That will come to 2000. Clear? 10 into 200 is 2000. 300 into 5 is 1500. Then again 2000. Then it's 4000. And then it will come to again 2000. Clear? So what am I doing? I am just multiplying. For total billed amount, I am just multiplying. Clear? What am I doing? I am just multiplying. 10 into 200, 5 into 300, 20 into 100, 5 into 200 and 10 into 200. Clear? So what am I doing? I am just multiplying. Clear? I am just multiplying. Okay? Clear? I am just multiplying. Okay? Clear? Okay, copy this down, all of you. Please copy this down. Total billed amount. Copy the total billed amount. Yeah. So now what you have to find out is the unit price. The formula for unit price is total billed amount divided by the total number of customers. Clear? Total number of customers. Clear? The formula for unit price is total billed amount divided by the number of customers. Total number of customers. Okay? Divided by the total number of customers. Okay? Now what you have to do? You have to find out the total of this thing. You have to find out the total of this thing. So 2000 plus 1500. Find out the total, all of you. 2000 plus 1500 plus 2000 plus 4000 and plus 2000. This is coming to 11,500. Okay? This is coming to 11,500. Okay? 11,500. Okay? 11,500. Clear? It's coming to 11,500. Now if you see the total number of customers, this is 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5 plus 10. This is coming to 50. This is coming to 50. Okay? So your total billed amount is 11,500 and number of customers is 50. Now what you have to do? You have to just divide this two. Okay? You just need to divide. Total billed amount is 11,500 divided by total number of customers. Your total number of customers is 50. Okay? Total number of customers is 50. So this will come to rupees 230 per unit. Always remember to write this word, per unit. Rupees 230 per unit. So 1 unit you are selling at rupees 230 per unit. Okay? So unit price, the formula is total billed amount divided by the number of customers. That is 11,500 divided by 50. That is, see, this is the total billed amount, the total of this column and total of this column. That is 11,500 divided by 50. That is 230 per unit. Okay? And if you need to find out unit cost, See here it's saying unit cost is 70% of unit price. Obviously your cost will always be lesser than your unit price. Your cost will always be lesser than your selling price. Okay, your cost price will always be lesser than your selling price. So here it will be 70% of 230, that is equal to 70 divided by 100 into 230. 70 divided by 100 . Okay, I guess this is a mistake. Please wait. Yeah, I'm so sorry. This will be 1000. Okay, this will be 1000. I'm so sorry for this. This will be 1000. Okay, I'm so sorry for this. This will be 1000. Clear? This will be 1000. 200 into 5 is 1000. I'm so sorry for this. 200 into 5 is 1000. So please let's do the totaling again. 2000 plus 1500 plus 2000 plus 1000 plus, it's coming to 8500. Okay, it's not 11500, it's 8500. Clear? 8500. Okay, so this will be 8500 divided by 8500 divided by 50. Okay, so 8500, if you divide this by 50, this will come to rupees 170 per unit. This will come to rupees 170 per unit. And then for unit cost, what you will do? Unit cost is 70% of unit price. So 70% of 170. So 70 divided by 100 into 170. Clear? That is rupees 119 per rupees 119 per unit. Clear? So unit cost is coming to rupees 119 per unit. See, your price, selling price is rupees 170 per unit and your cost is always be lesser. So it is rupees 119 per unit and your gross profit margin will be, gross profit margin will be unit price minus unit cost. Clear? Minus unit cost, that is 170, that is equal to 170 minus 119, that is coming to rupees 51 per unit. Don't forget to mention this word per unit. Don't forget to mention this word per unit. See, I am always mentioning this word per unit and per unit. Okay, don't forget to mention this word per unit. Okay, I'm repeating this again. Like, you will get these questions like this: number of customers will be the average billed amount will be there. Okay, you have to find out the total billed amount, and how will you find out? By multiplying number of customers with average billed amount. Okay, then you'll find out the total of billed amount and the total of number of customers. Then you will divide the total billed amount by the total number of customers. You will get unit cost price, and then whatever is the percentage of unit cost, you will find out accordingly, and then you will find your gross profit margin. Okay, so if you have any doubt, students, please tell me. If you have any doubt in this, please tell me, and copy this down, all of you. Please tell me if you have any doubt in this. Okay, please copy this down. Any doubt, please tell me. No, sir. Okay, good. So please repeat. 8500 total billed amount will be given. No, Snehil, your average average billed amount will be given. This column, see Snail, this column will be given average billed amount and number of customers. Okay, this 2-3 columns from here it will be given, this and this. Okay, this column, these two columns will be given. See, I've colored these portions. These two columns will be given. Now you have to find out this column, total billed amount. You have to find out, like we calculated. So you have to find out. Okay, through that only you will find out unit price, unit cost, and your gross profit margin. Okay, okay, Snail, is that fine with it? Okay, Snail, any doubt? Okay, 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 okay. Thank you, students. Just we'll keep it till here. Okay, thank you, students. Have a good day and God bless. Okay, okay. Now hope it's clear, Snail Mehta. Okay. Okay, thank you, students. Have a good day and God bless.